Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida Notary Public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. It's always so important to have a realtor on your side just like me that has a full understanding of construction. There's a big difference between selling new homes and actually understanding the construction process, the build process, and being able to help the buyer to identify defects along the way. Because remember, when you close on the house, any defects that are with that house is going to be on you at some point, and you always want to take the best steps to minimize those defects. Okay, you don't want to ignore those defects, but if you do choose to ignore those defects, you can still contact me. I can help you in that manner as well. I guess I'm gonna have to call it something different. I'll call it the ignore the defects method. Or should I say the standard realtor method, just ignore the defects. So this house behind me is the Garnet. I don't know if I've seen a Garnet before. Now from the outside it does look like a few other homes that I have seen, but let's go inside and have a look. Okay, so I got a single story house. Pretty spacious and wide when you first walk in. That's at least the feeling that I get from it. Yeah, so this kind of feels like the Mystique with the bay window at the front of the house. I think it's the Mystique anyway. So this is nice. It's set up as a gym room. Especially if you don't need, I'm guessing this is a 4-bedroom, but maybe it's a 3. Yeah, I don't know if I've actually ever been in this house, this model. Let's see, let's go this way. It's probably the garage. Yep, got a standard looking 2-car garage. HVAC, and here's your laundry room, and a big laundry room. You can see how much space is next to the washing machine, and look how much space is next to the dryer. So nice big laundry room. And over here to the right we have, I guess, a study. That's how this is set up. It's like a study room. It's probably more like a flex room. This could be a den. TV room. There's, as you can see, there's no closet. So technically when there's a closet, it's definitely a bedroom. If there's no closet, you can really do what you want with it. But you can do what you want with any room, of course. And over here, we got a pretty big pantry too. Nice walk-in pantry. Definitely nice countertop space, and they put the longer cabinets, I guess the 42-inch cabinets. Quartz countertops. And it's nice not seeing the sink at the island. I'm just kind of tired of it. So yeah, I think that this is a 4-bedroom, or at least a 4-room house. This is kind of interesting. Again, we're out at Bridgewalk in St. Cloud. Nice big walk-in closet. Wow. Oh, and there's more to the right. So another big closet. I wonder if this is like a master bedroom or a second master bedroom. I think there's one more room. You could see you have the two sinks. Two sinks, and yeah, I mean, this just looks like big bedroom. Could be. Or is this the last room in the house? Yeah, I think that this is the master bedroom. Ah, I see. I thought that this over here was going to be another room, but this goes out to the lanai. Ah, that's nice. Alright, so we're going to go to see another house at Bridgewalk. This house is the Ruby model.
Go to richnotohomes.com.
Looks like a big house. Let's see. Get into the crunchy section. Okay, whoops. Which way is that pointing? I should put my sunglasses on. The sun is bright and strong. So, yeah, that's the Ruby. And I do have a video of a Ruby somewhere. Not sure where. It's probably out in the Tampa side of Florida, I think. Maybe somewhere else. It's a big house. Let's go inside and have a look. And always remember, I do help my customers with the construction process. So let's go inside and have a look. Okay, so the right, this is also the sales over, so I'm not going to be showing everything, but the right over here is a closet. Now the garage is also part of the sales office as well. So let's see, over here's the kitchen. Kitchen with quartz countertops and nice big wide cabinets too. Look how wide they are. So this laundry room is no doubt upgraded, and it's to be expected. It's the model. Yeah, look at that, nice and big. This is your lanai, a covered patio. And the living room area. Storage under the stairs. Let me go under here a little bit. I'm into the whole Christmas thing right now. Okay. So here's a bedroom, definitely a master bedroom. I wonder if there's going to be another master bedroom on the second floor. Sometimes these really large homes have two, or at least some kind of en-suite on the second floor. Or if you want to call it a smaller master, whatever makes you happy. Okay, here's the master bedroom closet. So let's go up to the second floor. See if I can finish this before everybody comes up here. I seem to be just enough ahead of everybody that it's killing the videos today. So yes, we do have an en-suite over here. So you got a very, very, very large room. It's a big room. Big room, big loft. And over here is a big shared bathroom too, because you see you've got 2 sinks, there's room for the plant, the toilet and your shower. Another large bedroom, and I think this has a little walk-in. Yeah, it does. A little walk-in closet. And then here's another bedroom. Oh, it's a big closet. Wow, look at this. That's a big closet. So you got a big closet over here, paired with a large bedroom too. So this community definitely has some large 2-story floor plans to choose from.